Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a simple unboxing video where I am going to, well, I've already opened it, but it's going to be like a haul sort of deal. And so today I just wanted to share with you what I got. Little disclaimer, I'm not bragging about what I got. I am just excited because it's a whole bunch of yarn, and who doesn't like yarn? So before I jump into it, as usual, welcome to any new or returning subscribers. If you like the content on this channel, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I do post a lot. I wanted to say a little something. I do post a lot on Twitter, but I wanted to say that when I don't do sub for sub, but if I'll check your channel out, and if I like the content, I'll subscribe, but I just want to clarify that I don't do sub for sub. So, without further ado, if you like this channel, be sure, of course, to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the little bell icon to be notified of when there is a new video out. And let's get on with the video. So here is the box, and the reason why I had the flaps open is because both of mine and the lady's address is on the flaps. And I do have a respect for privacy because, a lot can go wrong on the internet. So for privacy reasons, I'm not going to show the flaps, but it is a fair size box. So I was looking on Amazon, I do browse Amazon for yarn, but I was browsing the Facebook market page, and this lady was selling, she's really nice, she was selling yarn. I guess it's yarn that she didn't want. And I managed to get this, I think, it was $80, but I paid an extra $15 for shipping because I couldn't go drive to get it, which there's 21 balls here, and they're full size, not used. So I thought that was a pretty fair deal. And the box came in, the box came in 2 days. I will further explain the funny story it took to go get it when I do my next podcast, which is hopefully going to be in a couple days. So when you open it, I kind of folded her name over because, again, privacy. But she did leave a note saying, "Thank you, I hope you enjoy," which was very sweet of her. So I do like that. And there is actually different brands. So I actually have a color in this, but it's half gone. But it's the Craft Smart. The color in butter. So I am excited to get another ball of this. So it's the Craft Smart, value 364 yards. Just gonna put it off to the side. So next up is, hey, this is the blue one. It's white, but I used the blue one in this brand. I've used the blue version of this Burnett Super Value. That's what I made the wrist cuffs and all that out of. So this white could actually be for I could see using this white in some flowers. This is the Burnett Super Value. It's 197 grams. It's medium weight. And it's in the color, of course, white. So yeah. So I got 2 balls of this I don't know why I just said Veronica. It's Vanna's Choice Lion Brand. I've used Lion Brand, but I've never used the Vanna's Choice. Oh, I keep dropping it. It's a medium weight. It's 100% acrylic. 170 yards. So got this purple yarn. Just gonna toss that to the side. Next I have the Snuggly Wuggly Loops and Threads. It's 446 yards. I think there's 3 shades. There's this blue. The camera's not really. Yeah, there's this blue. I think another one of the same blue. Looked different yesterday, but it's the same blue. There's a mintish green in the same brand, a gray, a lighter blue, there's a pink one. There's a pink one, I think that's it for that brand. I do have a couple Red Heart ones. So this is the Red Heart Super Saver. It's like a speckled yarn. It's worsted for, shows how to pull it from the center. And it's 236 yards. Yeah, 141 grams. Bobby, this next one, Bobby has a dibs on. It's because this is the Burnett Softy Baby, so I've already said Bobby can use this one. I just wanted to use it for the unboxing. Super soft. Most of these I do plan to make granny square blankets, that's why I wanted the yarn. So I have, there's 3 of these impeccable loops and threads, 277 yards of the impeccable yarn, and it's in the shade Sunny Day. So I am excited for that. That's actually the same brand that is my garden blanket, which I hope to finish soon. So I also have the brown, a light brown. This is the soft taupe. There is 2 reds by the loops and threads in here. If I can find the name. This is in cherry. So there is 2 of those. And 1 pink in the loops and threads. And this is the soft rose. So that is the impeccable yarn. See if I can get this to focus. And the 2 last balls in here is this Red Heart Soft Baby Steps. I need this to focus. It's a medium. I think most of this is medium. And it's 256 yards. So I got 2 of those shades, which I feel would be nice in a blanket. So I'm just going to start putting this all back in here. So I am highly impressed. I mean, I feel like I got what I paid for it. So I'm going to put this back in the box and I will check back in with you in a minute. So thank you for tuning in to this nice yarn haul. I wanted to show you guys before I dipped into it and started making random stuff like my blankets and hats and all that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And comment below what your favorite brand of yarn is and why. And I will see you all in my next video, which is hopefully a podcast.